No, I just think that we can do a better job of like trying to find things that are like that can stack on top of each other. When I say stack on top of each other, I'm implying like stacking days. Like if you've ever heard of stacking days, like doing things consistently. Like for instance, for an example, for me today, you know, I'm not bragging on myself at all. I woke up early, right? I went to go serve at church. Boom, that's one. Then I went to church and I went to the service. Boom, that's two. Three, I came home and ate a healthy lunch, right? Boom, chores, boom. All this without social media, all this without tripping, doing something distracting. Boom, after that, filled out a scholarship. Boom, did some homework. Boom. Then I ran out of things to do because I'm going to practice right now. I'm going to train right now, but at the moment I had like 2 hours of random time to do whatever. And that time I could have scrolled on social media. I could have done something that would take away from my energy, that would mess with my positive what's it called? Momentum. It would mess with my positive momentum, but I stayed steady. I was like, no, you know, I can do something that can build my skills, that can build that can help my brain flow better, like think better. You know, I got my guitar out, learn the song. Boom, right there. And it's just decisions you can make all the time throughout your day that just keep gaining momentum to where at the end of the day, like today, I'm finna go home after this workout, chilling, finna eat a good dinner, finna watch a show, and I can be fully fulfilled with that. But say I gave in to the 2 hours of break time and just watched the movie, or like in the morning I was like, nah, I'm too tired for that. I'm not gonna go help the kids. Stay in the bed. That's a missed opportunity to gain momentum, to stack. I don't even know. to stack energy, bro. You can stack energy all day. Just make your day 10 times better. And that's something I've learned over the last 2 months. Be thankful. You know, live every day with gratitude. Live every day with abundance, bro. Step into every day with abundance, bro. Believe that much is coming your way. Much positive, amazing things are coming your way. And they will. You know, I'm glowing, bro. Like bro, the mentality, bro, it all correlates, bro. You get good sleep. You do the right things all day. You eat right. You do right. You say right. You think right. And you look right, bro. And you look right. That's just how it works, bro. It's the game, bro. That's just how it works. But I hope y'all boys or women I hope you women, ladies, and gents, men, have a great day. You know, I hope y'all have a very blessed, fulfilling rest of your day. I hope this video inspires you to start creating your momentum. Start rolling the ball. You know, and y'all boys have a great day, man. Yeah.